I'm Martin Walker and I'm teaching this class on sustainability. I work in the chemistry department, so the viewpoint this class will take will be one of a chemistry viewpoint. But don't let me scare you too much. What this really means is we're looking at the material flows within the Earth and also energy flows and how these can be balanced to maintain a sustainable world. I'd like to start by saying what this class is not about, and that is it's not an environmental science class, because many people will confuse the two. This is not a class where you'll learn what causes global warming or climate change, what causes acid rain. That class is taught on the SUNY Potsdam campus, and it's called environmental science. Environmental science is saying what is going on in the environment, but sustainability is asking the question, what can we do about it? Although I take a chemistry and material flow viewpoint in the class, and in fact, Unit 2 of the class will be teaching you some hard science terms. The first third or so of the class, we will actually be looking at what governments and what the United Nations, etc., is doing. That deals with politics and economics. Whenever you have material flows, you have people arguing about coal versus oil, energy from solar versus wind versus oil, natural gas. All of these things have an impact. Then we'll get into the second third of the class where we look at some of the ways in which we extract and process those materials. It will also begin to include manufacturing, because a big part of material processing is manufacturing. If we make that more environmentally efficient, then we end up with a more sustainable world. Towards the end of that section is something very dear to my heart, because it's something I research, and that is green chemistry, which is where I will look specifically at my own field of chemistry and some of the revolutions that have happened, because they really are revolutions in the way we look at how we make chemicals. And then at the end of the class, we'll start to wrap things up with looking at are there models for sustainable living, cities, architecture, lifestyles, etc. I hope you'll enjoy that, and I look forward to seeing you in the class.